My name is 𝗜𝗃𝗬𝗺𝗯cie. I'm a solution sales specialist for Tasklet Factory. We're an inventory management company, so any inventory needs that customer and end user has in regards to warehouse management, or whether it's in the BC space or the F&O space, we from NAV 2009R2 all the way through BC's current version to AX 2009 all the way to the F&O current F&O version. DynamicsCon Live brings is having the end users, having the partners, ISVs all together under one roof to be able to create bring that ecosystem together so that we can just create those synergies so that we can support each other and further the dynamic community. The community being able to put this together so that we can benefit from each other and just grow grow each other's companies and grow our businesses together.